welcome back to my channel. Today I have these two cutest kids to come on my channel. So we're gonna do like makeup together. So what's your name?
Tyra.
How about you?
Molly.
Molly, how old are you girls?
Good.
How old are you girls?
10.
10 years old. Are you guys excited? Is this your first time on the YouTube? Yeah? Have you seen my channel before? Do you like it? Okay, cool. So today we're gonna do a makeup session. Yes? So we picked up a makeup. So we're gonna show them what kind of makeup we're gonna do. Today, do you have the picture? So this is the makeup. Let's see. We're gonna do on these two girls. So shall we start now? Okay, we have a bunch of makeup here. So now we're gonna start looking for foundations. But the only problem is that you both are very fair skin and I have a very tan skin. So my foundations may not fit you. So what I'll use instead, I'll use this True Face. This is a concealer, but you can also use it as a foundation. I'm just gonna do a little bit because you both have a very nice skin. So I'm gonna help to transform these two little girls to a Barbie doll. Yeah? You want to become a Barbie doll? Yeah? Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit on this side just to highlight. So we're gonna do this. That's what I usually do. I'm just gonna do the highlight point. And then the next, I'm just gonna be using this. You guys know this? The Beauty Blender. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna blend. Oh, you look up. And then we're just gonna blend the eyes here. Is it itchy? The longer of the concealer it stays, it will cover more. But actually, honestly, you both don't really need much of the concealer or any foundations. Tell me what's your favorite makeup artist? Who is that?
Nikki Tutorials.
Ah, is it the makeup Nikki tutorial? The one on YouTube? Oh, you guys always watch her YouTube tutorial? Ah, okay. I also like her. I like her personality. But who's your favorite model? As in like someone you always look up to with your makeup, with your style?
Ariana Grande.
Oh, you like Ariana Grande. You both love Ariana Grande? Yeah, she's very pretty and cute. This is my first time doing makeup for 10 years old. I'm gonna try to transform you into a lady. And the guys at the school be like, whoa, who is this? Do you guys like have any like guy friends that you like? No? No? Are you guys sure? Right now I'm just putting on this from the Fenty Beauty. This is to prep your lip, just to moisturize your lip. Do you like glitter? Glowy skin? Okay, this is recently my favorite. And then what I usually do, I like to go on top, on the higher cheekbones, just to give it a little bit of that glow on the skin here, especially here. You see? Here it's like glowing. And now I'm gonna put it up here. And then I like to go a little bit on the tip of the nose here to highlight your nose, your forehead just in the center, and a little bit on your lip and the chin, so that you have the natural glow on your skin. So I have a cream contour here, and this is the powder. The powder one, it's a little bit easier as a beginner, but if you want a little bit more contour, I like to use this to set my base, and then on top of it I will be using this. What I like to use is this one, because this is like an angle brush. So we use this and then we go with your cheekbones here. So what I like to do is like to go a little bit. This is your cheekbones, and then we usually go below here. And we're gonna start dragging up because we want to leave the face. And then I like to use a little bit on here just to shape your jawline here, make it like smaller. Do you guys like to be like on the fair skin side or on the tan skin?
Brown.
Brown? Darker skin tone? Then a little bit on the here. Nose, contour. Here, let it go up. Do you guys always listen to Ariana Grande? Her song? Like, what's your favorite song from Ariana Grande?
7 Rings or Thank You Next.
Oh, these two are very nice. Do you watch her music video too? You like her hair? Go here to the nose a little bit. On the side. Here, the tip of your nose. Your jawlines. If you want to learn a proper how to do this makeup, where do you usually go? YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube.
What I usually like to do next is I like to set first with my powder. And then what I like to use this because this one is like big brush. So I use this to like buff it off and then blend it all together with the contour. What I like to do is I go to the contour area and then I just start from the top and then I just tap. See? Now the color. And then you turn it around here. There you go. Yeah.
You're very red.
Yeah, it's very red. Does it hurt? Do you guys like following Kylie? Her fashions, her style?
I like, but I don't know if Nola likes it.
Okay. What do you think about Kylie?
She's pretty.
Do you like her fashions? Do you like to dress like her? Let me ask you a question. If you can choose either you want to become Kylie Jenner or Kendall Jenner, which one do you prefer?
Kylie.
You Kylie, how about you?
Do you know what Kendall looks like? No. Where's Kendall?
This is Kendall. Like she's very tall. She's like a supermodel.
Kylie.
Kylie? Why?
Face.
Her face?
I like her style.
You like her style. How do you describe her style? More sexy. Yeah? What I like to do, I like to shape a little bit at the back. Because she has a pretty eyebrow, I'm just doing a little bit here. And then I'm just gonna draw some strokes. And then I'm gonna use this. How long have you guys known each other?
Since birth.
Yeah? Both of your mom are friends, right? So you have known each other for 10 years. It's not easy to find a friends like that, you know? So both of you are very lucky to have friends that you know each other for 10 years when you're just 10 years old only. What is the part that you enjoy the most doing makeup? Lips? Now you have a eyebrow. Do you like it? Do you like your eyebrow? You have to tell me. What's your favorite activity? Football? Oh, you play football? Really? Oh, wow. How about you, Kara?
Gymnastic.
Gymnastic? What?
Yeah.
Do you do gymnastic? Are you like practicing now? Oh, wow. That's cool.
Never seen that.
Can you show us how you do gymnastic here? Can we move a little bit? We give a bit of space for Tara to do your move while we're doing makeup. Show us your move. What's your favorite move?
I don't know what it is in English, but you like wait.
Oh, like you make a round like that? Oh wow. Okay, now the eyebrows are done. Does it look funny now? Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. Okay, that's good. Look up. Now I'm gonna go. Is purple your favorite color? Both of your favorite color? No, not for you. So it's Tara's favorite color. How about you?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. Now I'm gonna use a smaller brush with the lighter tone. And I'm gonna go to the front here. Bronzing. Fluffy brush. Close your eyes. In the center. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner, which is the most important part. So we're gonna go here. Do you both often do makeup? Yeah. Do you both sing? No? Do you like singing? No?
She's always singing.
Oh, okay. Then Molly, you show us your singing. You can sing to us. What kind of song do you like to sing? Okay, now I'm gonna need you to look down.
Oh, kan jag bara säga det? It's a very bad song.
It's a very bad song? Why is it a bad song? Why is it a bad song?
I don't know, it's just not that good, but she loves it.
Bad song as in the lyrics is bad or the song itself is not?
Everything is bad.
Yeah? What is it about?
Like it's like about drugs.
Drug?
Yes, they sing about drugs.
That's Molly's favorite song? Molly! Are you a naughty girl? Huh? Are you a naughty girl?
Vänta, se. Du vet, det kommer hon då. Oh my god.
Or you don't know that the song is bad?
No.
You don't know or you know?
I know.
You know? Ah, but you like it. Ah. So Molly is a naughty one. If I ask you both to pick, who is more naughty? Yeah, you or Tara? Ah, Molly? Yeah? Tell me about what Molly did that you think is naughty.
She always like play school.
When I play school?
She's like, I don't know.
Uh-huh. Is that a secret? Molly keep looking at you like, you better not say, you better not say. So it's a secret. I can't learn. Okay, I know the secret. Or you can just tell me. They don't have to hear it. Do you love Dubai? Both of you? Which part that you like the most?
Atlantis.
Atlantis? You been to Atlantis? How about Molly? Have you been?
Nej, det har vi inte. It's the castle. When we drive the boat,
Yeah.
then it was like a castle.
Yeah.
Ett slott. Det där slottet. Ja. Det har inte du varit. Nej, varför sa du ja då? Det vet jag inte.
Okay.
It's very pretty.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Can we come close? Can the camera see? Can you guys see? So far, what has been your favorite part in Dubai? The yacht?
Mm-hmm.
Is the yacht fun for you both? It's very nice, no? What's your favorite food?
Sushi.
Sushi? How about you?
Much thinking.
Always takes a long time for Molly to think.
She says that she don't have a favorite.
No, you don't have a favorite food? What kind of songs do you guys usually listen to? Do you guys like pop song or like rap, hip hop?
Rap.
Ah, Molly like rap.
Pop.
Pop song. That's why you like Ariana Grande. Do you guys have like crush on guys?
He has it, but not me.
She has? Molly has? Can I see the guy? Which one? Can you show me? Here on your nose. Now we're gonna do highlighter. I have two. This is how it looks. And then I have another one, which is from the Fenty Beauty.
I like that one.
You like this one? How about you? Which one do you like?
This one.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is on the higher cheek here, I'm gonna boop, boop. I'm gonna use my finger to tap. Highlight your nose. So Tara, you want Kylie Jenner's. So I'm gonna try to do Kylie Jenner's lip versions for you. And then I'm gonna go with the lip color. I'm using this first. Okay, I'm gonna go with Kylie's one. Look at your own lip. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
So you want big lip as well? Okay. Look at how... This is from Fenty Beauty. This is my favorite lip gloss. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and then I'll just put it in the middle. Makeup is done. Do you like this makeup? Yeah? Out of 10, how much would you give me for the makeup that you want?
9.
9? Okay, that's really good. Out of 10, what is the rate you would give me for the makeup?
10.
10? Really?